Alright, we're here today to show you what to do with your DynoJet PowerVision tunes when we email them to you. So the first thing you want to do is grab your USB cord that comes with your PowerVision device, plug the one end in your computer into the USB slot. There's usually a USB slot on the front or the back or the side somewhere, but I'm sure you can figure that part out, I hope. And then you put the other end into your PowerVision. So right in the side you'll see a little USB slot that matches. Just put that in there, and most likely a file box will pop up on your screen when you plug that in. If it doesn't, we'll show you what to do. Alright, so now I have my email open here. You can see it's got the small instructions along with the different tunes. Now we're going to want to hit the Windows E key to open up File Explorer if it didn't already open up when you plugged in your PowerVision device. And what we want to do is we're going to want to scroll down with the file bar until we see PowerVision. It'll act just like a drive. So we'll open that up. It'll show all the files that are on your PowerVision. Now all we want to do is click whatever files I sent, click the down arrow, and you'll see that popped up a little box here that says it's downloaded. Now once that's downloaded, we just want to click on it, drag it into your box, and you can see it added it right in there. So now we're going to want to click the next one. Once it's done blinking, it's downloaded, we drag it over, drop it right into our File Explorer box. And we'll just do that with all of these. Once we do that with all of these, I'll show you what you'll see when you power up your PowerVision device. On this one, there's 4 files. I might send you 3, I might send you 10. However many I send you, do the same process for every one of them. It'll go directly from your email download into the PowerVision. So now you're going to want to right click on the PowerVision, and we're going to scroll down until you see eject. What ejecting it'll do is make that drive safe to unplug. So we'll click safe to remove hardware, and it'll say device can now safely be removed. So once it says that, you'll unplug the USB, and if you want to check to make sure the files are there before it's hooked to your vehicle, you can plug in the PowerVision. Once you're on the main screen, hit the center button that kind of looks like a little TV. Go to Flash Tune, and here we'll list all the tunes that are available. Now you'll see the first 4 on here are the same as the ones we dropped in. If they're in there, you're good to go. Now when you plug this into your device, you may notice that some of these tunes disappear, and the reason that is because now it will only show tunes that are compatible with your ECU. So once you have your ignition on, you select from one of the tunes that are compatible. If for some reason there's no tunes that are compatible with your ECU, you need to email us the pv-info file and the stock file I created. So I'm going to show you where that is right now. So we'll open up the File Explorer box. We'll go back in. So it says PowerVision. Now you'll notice right here, this pv-info, that file, and there's a file that ends in .stk. These are the 2 files you'll want to email me, and I can show you how to email me those. So we're going to compose an email. We're going to put to joeybmp@gmail.com. Oh, I don't even know my own email. joeybmp@gmail.com, and just put pv-info as the message line. Now it's pretty easy what to do from here. So we'll just highlight this, and we just drag it over into the email. And if you're not using something as simple as Gmail, you really should, because in Gmail, it makes all these functions super easy. So we have another one here. We'll drag it over. So now you'll see the PV info and the stock file are attached to this email. All you have to do is hit send, and boom, that shows up in my inbox. I will resend the files you need to be linked up with your device. When you send the email, make sure you also include what level and what year model vehicle it is. But other than that, Joey over and out, Bikeman Performance. Check out all our cool stuff at bikemanperformance.com.